Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll walk you through recording and adding voiceovers to your Canva projects. Click Create to start. Next, choose Presentation from the available options. For this demo, we'll work with a presentation. Now, navigate to Templates to browse available designs. Find a template you like, then select it to apply the design to your new presentation. Click Apply All 15 Pages to add every page to your slide. All 15 pages will be included automatically. Once that's done, simply click the Upload button to complete the process and save your changes. Click the Record Yourself button to add audio or a voiceover to your PowerPoint slides. This feature allows you to dub narration directly onto your presentation. Next, select Record a Talking Head to include a video of yourself speaking alongside your slides. After recording, you will see a preview of your narration and video, so you can review and make changes if necessary before saving. To turn off your camera, click the camera icon. Next, select your preferred microphone from the drop-down menu and make sure the correct one is chosen before you continue. This ensures your audio works properly. Make sure your microphone is selected. To start recording, click the red record button. You'll see a countdown: 3, 2, 1. Speak your text, for example, business proposal. When you're finished, click the record button again to stop. To listen to your recording, click the play button. You'll hear your recorded audio, such as business proposal. Repeat the recording steps if needed until you're satisfied. Always check your microphone selection and review your audio before proceeding to the next step. Create your audio recording, then click the Save button. After saving your work, select Exit to finish and leave the current session. To adjust the position of elements in your business proposal slide, start by selecting the object you want to move. Click to highlight it, then find the Position Layers option in your toolbar or right-click menu. Click Position Layers to open the Layer Management panel. You'll see a list of all elements on your slide. To move your selected object behind another, click and drag it in the list below the desired layer like, placing it behind the project element. Alternatively, use the arrow icons to move your selection down in the layer order. You can also experiment with hiding layers temporarily by clicking the eye icon next to a layer name. This allows you to check the appearance of your slide and ensure elements are positioned correctly. Once you've now successfully hidden the content within the set limits, let's test it by playing the presentation. Click Presentation and select Business Proposal. You'll see that everything still functions as expected, but the hidden elements are no longer visible. That's how you hide specific parts of your presentation quickly and efficiently while maintaining full interactivity. To add audio to your design, import your audio file and place it on the timeline. Use layers to position the audio behind the desired visual elements. Click on the audio track to select it, then click the position option if you need to move or rearrange it. Find the audio layer, and here you can adjust or trim the audio by dragging the ends of the track. For example, to match the audio with your business proposal visuals, simply trim or shorten the track to remove any silent spaces. This lets you keep your audio concise and relevant to your project. Repeat these steps whenever you need to edit audio within your design for a polished final result. To adjust the playback speed, use the speed control and select up to 2x for faster viewing. Next, click the Edit button to access filter options. Here, you can apply different filters to change the appearance as needed. If you prefer a distinct icon, select an alternative color from the icon settings. This allows you to personalize the interface based on your preferences, making it easier to identify or differentiate icons while working within the application. If you prefer not to use a photo, you can simply skip that step. For each page where you need audio, repeat the same process. First, click the Upload button, then select Record to create a token head audio file. Click Record, capture your sample content, and confirm when done. Once your content is recorded, click Save to keep your changes. Now you will see your new audio file in the list. To keep the audio out of sight on your page, hide it behind an existing element. Select the audio layer, then click the position option. Choose the element such as an image or shape behind which you want to conceal the audio. Move the audio layer so it sits behind the selected element. The audio will now be hidden. Play the slide to preview your content. When you're ready to save your video, click the share button, then choose download. Make sure the correct slide or video is selected before proceeding. Set the video quality to the highest available option to ensure the best results. Finally, click Download again to save your high-quality video file to your device. Now you know how to record and add voiceovers in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.